some Uber drivers can now skip the airport queue. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And that's right, Uber is experimenting with something where you can sign up to skip the airport queue. So right now what you see on the screen says you can now sign up to skip the airport line. So with a little planning, you can save time on airport trips by signing up for a spot in front of the queue. So how it works is you can browse available times. So from the menu, go to the opportunities to browse available times and sign up for one that works for you. The spots are limited and you will be able to browse available times for the following 7 days. Spots are going to fill up fast, so you can sign up for a max of 2 spots in a week. And then they will be holding your spot. So you just need to make sure that you get there within the proper time. But essentially, you'll be able to sign up for a couple of times. And when that happens, you can go right to the airport, get in the front of the line, and hopefully you'll get a ride right away and can come back and continue on. So this is only for hour increments currently. And like I said, it's something that they're testing out. Not all markets are going to see this, and not necessarily all drivers in available markets will see this either. But I want to know, have you seen this? Have you signed up for it and tried it out? And what is your market that you're in? Please comment below and let us know. And also, what are your thoughts when it comes to skipping the line? Is this something you like? Or is this just a ploy to try to get people to sit at the airport and wait for rides to come in? What's your thoughts? You know what to do. And then going on, if you have it available in your area and are able to see these opportunities, as you can see right here, this is what it's going to look like if you want to choose for it. So it will show you a couple of different times, and basically it'll just say skip the line at the airport from whatever time to whatever time. And you can sign up and see what the terms that can apply there are. All right, so a couple of tips though that I do have to really make sure that this feature is going to benefit you. And that is, first off, before you pick the times, make sure you check the weather. Check the forecast, see if there's going to be a storm coming through or very inclement weather or anything that could push and delay flights or cancel them, and try to see what type of flights are coming in during that time frame. So check the schedule of the flights. You'll be able to see these things, and then you can make the best decision on whether to accept a certain time frame or try to choose a different time. And then the people that are going to most benefit from this are those who like to do airport runs. The ones that are driving either airport only or most airport rides. You're going to probably like this much more. The only problem is it's only pretty much 2 hours per week. So that can have a little bit of drawbacks. But for those couple of hours you can choose, hopefully you'll be able to get a couple of rides each hour and it'll make it worth it for you. But again, let me know what your thoughts are on this particular feature, if you're using it, if it's available in your market, and what are you seeing? Comment below, let us know. All right, drive safe, everyone.